How to copy the link of any app on Play Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of any app on Play Store. Easy. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Choose the app that you want to copy the link of. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on those three dots. Click share, the first option, and click copy to clipboard. After you click copy to clipboard, as you can see, the link is copied right now. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.